Malco's adjustable siding gauges allow one person to hang fiber cement and engineered woodlap siding alone in a fraction of the time. Once the gauges are set up, there is no need to measure and mark. Just clamp the durable aluminum gauges to the topmost course and achieve a consistent level installation from start to finish. Whatever siding height or thickness, you'll only need one pair of Malco gauges. Setup is simple. Easily choose your own reveal in 1/4 inch increments for 4 to 8 inch reveals by removing the pin and sliding the track up or down. And unlike other gauges on the market, Malco's gauge adjusts for siding thickness from 5/16 to 5/8 inch. With the turn of a screwdriver, set the tension of Malco's unique gripping pads. Then the gauges do the work for you, supporting up to 12-foot fiber cement or 16-foot engineered wood siding, and without marring primed material. Malco's Adjustable Siding Gauge, a second pair of hands for your next siding job.